Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 C300 4MATIC. This one is black. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has front and rear LED daytime running lights, 18-inch twin 5-spoke wheels, a black MB text interior with a natural grain gray oak wood trim, sunroof. Coming around the back, we've got C300 4MATIC badging, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, blind spot assist, premium 1 package, which comes with an LED logo which appears when you open the door, heated seats, aluminum trim, memory seats, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, rear view backup camera, media display, dual clamp controls, hard keys for a media display, cup holders, turn wheel for infotainment center, dynamic select for different driving patterns. The C-Class has 27,886 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.